How to recover Roblox account with two-factor authentication. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can recover your Roblox account with the two-factor authentication. So make sure to watch the video till the end. To basically recover your Roblox account with two-factor authentication, first of all, just make sure that you open up your roblox.com, right? So in case you forgot your password when you're logged in on the login page, tap on forgot username or password. Now all you have to do is simply make sure to enter the email address associated with your Roblox ID over here. So let me also just go ahead and then basically enter my particular email address over here. Once I enter my email address, I just need to tap on the submit button. It will check whether or not I have a Roblox account with that email. So once I've done that, it says an email with instructions has been sent to you if the email was previously saved on your account. So I'll tap on OK, and then I'll just go ahead and then open up my mail and then see if I've received email from Roblox that says Roblox account password reset. So I can tap on that. Then I can tap on reset password, and as I tap on reset password, all I need to do is simply make sure to enter my new password, confirm the new password, tap on submit to reset my Roblox password. That's all it takes to recover Roblox account with two-factor authentication. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.